Freddie got fingered. All right, let's go into the Inspire Me screen. Listen, man, this is for anybody out there that is currently confused, struggling, feeling as if they're not good enough, as if what they're doing is going unnoticed by others. Listen, man, don't get in your own head to the point that you forget why you even got started on this journey in the first place. Whatever you're doing, whether it is your career, whether it is your hobby, whether it is your passion, whether it's simply trying to become a better version of yourself, man, listen, everybody always has something to say until the reflection is flipped around and they have to say it to themselves. Usually people become speechless at that point. So that being said, turn the volume up, turn your thoughts down, and get ready for this unique, divine, one-of-a-kind, inspirational message right about now. Let's go. Anything worth having doesn't come easy, and anything that comes easy isn't worth having. You have got to be willing to break through that mental barrier and see yourself beyond the physical limitations that you and I both have. If you were to get into a car right now and start driving to a place 2,000 miles away that you saw on a map but have never seen in physical reality, you are driving off of faith, basing that what you have seen is going to be there by the time you get to that place if you keep going. Allow that to sink in real quick. Nobody in here ever questions when you get on a plane that if you want to go to the UK or if you want to go to Japan, you want to go to Brazil, you want to go to Mexico, you want to go to Florida. Nobody questions the journey because they know that it's going to be there. They know that they're eventually going to land at their destination. If you could start looking at your life in that same way, and how good you will feel when you land at your destination on a vacation. If you can transition your mind to start thinking that way when it comes to your dreams, when it comes to your passions, Jamaica, when it comes to your desires, imagine how much better your life would truly be and become. But instead of looking at things like that, the unforeseeable future, as they say, instead, you bounce back into reality and you only focus on what you can see. If you always look at life like that, you will never see beyond what it is you are currently seeing. You have got to be willing to believe that no matter how long it takes, the destination of you showing up at your desired location of your dreams is going to happen. It's non-negotiable. It is going to happen. And once you can really convince yourself and feel what it will be like to be in that desired reality, all of a sudden, different opportunities begin to open up for you. All of a sudden, different people come into your life and people leave your life as well. You've got to understand that everything in this world is working for your greatest good. But right now, you may be struggling to see it that way because you are focusing on the struggle rather than the possibility of what you want to have happen. You need to understand that you are absolutely incredible, that you are worthy of receiving what it is you desire and dream of. You just got to be willing to shift your mind, which will then shift your life. You've got this. There's no better time than the present, man. Remember that. You are incredible. You are amazing. You are beautiful, and you are worthy of receiving everything you want in life. You know what I mean?